SYM Lance Havana Classic 200i fuel injected. My new ride has a USB port but no trickle charge port and no way to read voltage on the battery. I'm going to fix that. When I'm through, I'll have real-time DC voltage readout and a trickle charge input. This will be my real-time DC voltage readout with 2 USB ports switched so I don't drain my battery when I don't need it. This is going to be my trickle charger input plug, and this is going to be a 10 amp inline circuit breaker. Let's play. First thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Pull the battery cover, floor mat. Go from there. 5 screws pulled. Cover comes next. Battery cover, battery working area. Do some measuring, marking, and that way it tells me where I can drill and mount all my stuff. I'll show you each step. Okay, using a tape rule in the working space, battery location, pivot movement of the engine. I ended up with very little space to mount my equipment, but that should be enough to get everything I need. I'll show you the next step. Okay, first target. Top is going to be my voltage readout for real time. We'll do one and then position the second. Okay, pre-drill. It's a start. Okay, I figured out approximate location for my trickle charger input. Okay, 3 devices mounted on the cover of my Havana Classic trickle charger input port, 10 amp circuit breaker, 2 USB ports, but I'm more interested in using it to monitor my real-time DC voltage, monitor my battery health. What does it look like from the back? USB DC voltage LED, trickle charger input port, 10 amp circuit breaker. Next is wiring them up. The wiring begins. Pre-drill holes, cut leads, tie this stuff together. All 3 devices are soldered in, fluxed and soldered. Now I need to cut my lead length and put some ends on it so that it can bolt to the battery. Okay, got the lead strip back and I prepare them, put lugs on them. Okay, got my lugs soldered on, gonna heat shrink it next. Here we go. Okay, I'm having trouble getting the terminals to restart. This nut is too low once I add another connector to it, so I'm creating something to lift it up. Okay, that'll work. Okay, here we go. And Houston, we have contact. Okay, let's continue with the trick here. Okay. Continue to finish it off. Quick test for the trickle charger. Okay, voltage is going up, trickle charger contact, good. Circuit breaker's good, trickle charger input port's good. The real-time DC volts is live, and I even have 2 more USB ports. The patient survived. We get 12.8 volts battery sitting. Let's see what it does when I decide to start this thing. Lights on, 12.3. Looks like voltage regulator is working okay. Starter working okay. Battery's holding its own. Now for a test drive. Okay, scooter made a good test drive. Battery's holding up. Voltage meter's working. Trickle charger's working. Circuit breaker's working. The patient survived. Hopefully this will give you some motivation. Try your own project. Hello, Luna. Thanks for the help.
Anytime. Happy to help out. What else can I do for you today?
Hey, Emo. Thank you for the help.
You're welcome.